Hello, preschool friends. How are you doing today? Let's go ahead and sing Hello, Neighbor. Hello, neighbor. How do you do? I'm so happy to see you. Greet your neighbor. Boogie on down. Give a high five and turn around. All right. How are you doing today? Oh, it's another beautiful day outside. Let's go ahead and share. Oh, we're going to sign in next. Sorry. Let's go ahead and sign your name in. I will write my name while you write your name. All right. We are writing our names. What letters are in your name? All right, put my cap back on. Oh, there's my name, Miss Stephanie. I have an S that starts my name, the swirly S. Miss Stephanie. All right. Now let's move to our letter of the day. Here we go, our letter for today. What letter is this? What could it be? Well, I see some things that start with this letter. Can you name some of these things? I see tomatoes. Tomatoes. Tomatoes start with a t sound. And so does tree and turtle. When you smile, I can see these. Teeth. Teeth. What shape is this here? This shape has 3 sides and it has 3 angles or points. 3 angles. It's a triangle. It starts with that t sound again, like teeth, turtle, tree, tomatoes, train, and of course a tiger. This is the letter T. T says tiger. T. All right, let's go ahead and make our letter T. I've got my marker and I've got my board. All right, capital T. To make a capital T, we're going to draw a tall line down. And then we're going to cross it across the top. T. T. All right, let's make a lowercase t. For the lowercase t, we're going to draw our line down. And we're going to make a smaller line to cross it in the middle. T. Did you remember something that starts with the letter T? Teeth. What else started with the letter T? Oh, you remember this shape here? It had 3 sides and 3 angles. What was that? Triangle. All right, letter T. Lots of things start with the letter T. We're going to move on. We're going to do our number a little bit differently today. So let's get back on that screen to find our number. There it is. Oh, this is different. What number is that? It has a line down and it has a little flag on top, just a tiny one. That is the number 1. The number 1. Now I have some dots over here. I have some yellow dots and a red dot. What colored dots matches the number 1? The yellow dots just have number 1? Or is there just one red dot? Yellow or red? Which one has 1? It's the red one. The red one has 1 dot, 1. I wonder how many yellow dots there are. Let's see. We'll count together. Start here. 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow dots. Here's the number 1. There's 1 dot. All right, we got it. This is something new. I wonder how many dots we have all together. Let me see. You put that in here. How many dots do you think we have all together? Let me change this again. All right. So how many yellow dots did we have? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow dots. So I'm going to put the number 3 in there. And we have how many red dots? 1. We're going to do a little bit of math and add these together. 1, 2, 3 dots plus 1 dot is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. That equals 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Oh, now for our question of the day. Our question of the day is, what color do you like? Do you have a favorite color or maybe a few favorite colors? Can you find something around your house with that color or those colors that you do like? I like the color green. I have a green water bottle and a green shirt. I like the color green. I also like the color orange. On my mask today, you can see I have a green and orange handprint. What items do you have around your house that are the same colors that you like? Awesome, lots of colors, which that leads me into our story. Here's one of our stories. It's called, or the title, these big words on the front, is called The Crayon Box That Talked. The Crayon Box That Talked. And remember, this part of the book is called the front cover, and this is the back of the book. What was this piece here that holds it all together on the side? That's the spine, and when we open the book, you can see it holds it all together right there at the spine of the book. And the person that writes the words in the book, who was that called again? Was that the author or the illustrator? The author writes the words in the book, and the person that draws the pictures is the illustrator. The author of this book is Shane DeRolf. They put the words in the book, and Michelle Litzig is the illustrator, so she drew the pictures. All right, again, the title of the book, these big words on the front cover, is The Crayon Box That Talked. I wonder what this book is about. I see lots of crayons on there. What is this book about? Well, let's find out. The Crayon Box That Talked. Here we go. The Crayon Box That Talked by Shane DeRolf and illustrated by Michelle Litzig. While walking in a toy store the day before today, I overheard a crayon box with many things to say. I don't like red, said Yellow and Green. Green said, nor do I. And no one here likes orange, but no one knows just why. Look at their faces. How are they feeling? They weren't saying very nice things though either, were they? Oh, look at those faces again. We are a box of crayons that doesn't get along, said Blue to all the others. Something here is wrong. Wow. Lots of emotions going on there. They don't like each other. Look at their faces. Wow. They don't seem to be getting along at all. Let's see what happens. Well, I bought that box of crayons and took it home with me. What is she going to do with that box of crayons? What do you think she's going to do with that box of crayons? Maybe. And laid out all the colors so the crayons could all see. They watched me as I colored with red and blue and green, and black and white and orange, and every color in between. Ooh, she's coloring with them all. I wonder what she's going to do. She's using all the colors. They watched as green became the grass and blue became the sky. The yellow sun was shining bright on white clouds drifting by. Colors changing as they touched, becoming something new. They watched me as I colored. They watched till I was through. Look at those faces on the crayons now. They've changed. And look at all the colors too on the page. She said as the colors touched, they made new colors. That's called mixing. She's mixing colors to make new colors. And when I'd finally finished, I began to walk away. As I did, the crayon box had something more to say. Oh, I wonder what they're saying now. Remember, some of their faces had changed. It looks like some of them are smiling now. They don't look so angry after all. I do like red, said Yellow. And Green said, so do I. And Blue, you were terrific, so high up in the sky. Aww. They like each other now. We are a box of crayons, each one of us unique. But when we get together, the picture is complete. Wow. What an amazing story. So at first, they all look happy here now. But at first, they didn't like each other. They didn't like all the different colors. Look at those faces again. And then they all changed as they saw how unique each one was and what a difference they made in those pictures. How fun. Wow. If you get a chance, if you have some crayons and some paper, go ahead and draw a picture and use as many colors as you can. Draw whatever you want and even try mixing some colors to see what happens when you mix them up. All right. Have fun mixing colors and drawing a fun picture. Now, if you want, you can take a picture of your drawing and send it to me on Blooms. I love to see the work that you do. All right, thank you. Bye.